A digital twin, DT, is a virtual copy or model of an physical twin, which is interconnected via exchange of data in real time. The term digital twin comes from the idea that a virtual copy mimics the physical twin's state in real time and vice versa. There are several publications related to DT such as Product Avatar, Digital Thread, Digital Model, and Digital Shadow. Although the concepts have been extensively discussed in the literature, a consensus on the definition of DT has not been reached. This paper aims to clear the confusion and misinformation regarding DT from the literature. It also aims to provide an up-to-date description of DT and its functions.
This article is titled Digital Twin, Origin to Future and was authored by Maulshree Singh, Evert Fuenmayor, Eoin Hinchy, Yuansong Qiao, Niall Murray and Declan Devine.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.